We're literally sitting in a police station on vacation. Like, how is that even happening to me right now? You guys, I don't even feel like to say hi faves, good morning, good afternoon and good night. But I'll say it because that's how we do. But I don't know if we say good morning, good night, good afternoon, whatever it is. You guys, this is gonna be a mukbang, talking and eating, because we just got home, eat.
But you're hurting.
Come up close and eat. It will feel better soon. Pull your belt. Pull your belt. You guys, if this is the first video you ever watch on our channel, then you would know that we're in Paris on vacation. Now you know, in Paris on vacation, and today we decided that we're going to the Eiffel Tower. And after the Eiffel Tower, which it was a beautiful experience, especially for Tyler, we had so much fun. We decided that after the Eiffel Tower, we're going to Champs-Élysées. Champs-Élysées is the most famous street in France, or should I say in the world. It's considered one of the most beautiful streets in the world. So we went to the Champs-Élysées, had a good time in the Champs-Élysées, and then
she was tired, so she decided that it was time to go
home. So we proceeded to go to get the metro to go home until Tyler said, "Mama," what did you say?
I want to pee pee.
I want pee pee. You know, guys, when Tyler say I want pee pee, he kept it inside him long time, so there's no more possibility to wait.
So I bring Tyler outside, find a tree, find a water please, alright? Give her some juice. Bring Tyler outside to find a tree to pee pee. Babe and one of his cousins was, Papa gonna give it to you.
What
Give
you
me
want?
the water, give it to me. Was inside waiting for us under the metro stop. Was to return from Tyler doing pee pee. So at this point, do pee pee with Ty and going back to meet Babe and Idalina, which is the name of Babe's cousin. Put my phone in my jacket pocket. About to find my metro card to go through security so we could get the metro to come home. But then I realized that Sarah's tablet and the vlog camera is underneath the stroller. So I said, alright, I'm going to take them out, put them in the bag so we can go through without losing anything or anything falling and breaking and stuff like that. Put the camera and the tablet in the bag. Then I said, you know what, let me put my phone in the bag same time because I don't want to lose my phone. And I go, where is my phone? Exactly the way I went. Where is my phone? By the time the last word phone to come out of my mouth, it was surrounded by like 3-4 police. Right? Tap me on my shoulder. Madame, what the police say? Venez avec moi.
Follow me.
You didn't say it in English.
No, in français.
En français, venez avec moi. Mean follow me, come with me. Right then and there, I didn't even think twice. I knew. something was wrong. I knew it had to be my phone. But in that moment, I honestly wasn't even thinking. I just went with them and it was just pure chaos from there. It's nothing appears. What happened was the police that were surveilling the tunnel that you go through to get to the metro saw someone stole my phone from my pocket, from my jacket pocket where I put it. The guy stole my phone and left. They saw it on the camera, phoned me, and they went after the guy. So when they found me, catch the guy, bring the guy to where I am, take my phone off of him. He didn't even got to turn off the phone. He didn't get to do nothing with the phone. He was heading to another metro line. So the police showed me the phone and said, is this mine? I said to him, yes, it's my phone. At this point, you guys, I was shaking like this because I was alone. Babe and Thailand, Sarah and Idelina found me. And at this point, the police said to me that they cannot give me my phone directly. I have to come to the police station. I have to give a statement. And they have to do everything that they need to do. Y'all, at this point, I'm just standing there like, what in the name of Paris is going on? Yes, Sarah? Well,
What is the name of Paris going on?
that's what's going on. Yummy?
No care in the world. I love my
I hope you
daughter.
guys hear what Sarah just did. You're embarrassing you from my princess.
I don't know if it's the chicken that you add or if it's the duck. I think the chicken.
No.
Duck, chicken. That they add like you always. Lemon.
Oh.
Something like
Mom,
that.
I don't like this
Give it to Papa.
because I want to taste everything.
Give it to Papa.
I won't be able to eat that.
That's okay, I'll eat it. So you guys, where was I? The
You was that when the guy stole your phone and you go to the police station.
So the police said I have to come to the station. Mind you, where we were, the police station is nowhere close here. So babe cousin came with me. Now I turned celebrity, okay? Because we went in a police van in the front, siren on, going through Paris, through every stoplight, all the Champs-Élysées that we just walk out and experience, we get front row view through it all. Now the guy that stole my phone at this point is in the back of the police van and he's just looking at me and shaking his head. He's saying, please, don't let them charge me. So they arrested the guy. Everybody now on the way to the police station. But to get to the police station was like a 15-minute drive. 15 minutes through siren and everybody's just looking at us in the front of the van, probably saying, what did these girls do? So we get VIP treatment from the police to go to the police station. Go to the police station now. And another 2-hour wait to process all of this because they had to process the guy first, lock him up, do what they needed to do. What you want? Chicken? Want chicken? And to lock up the guy, do what they need to do. At this point, babe, Tyler and Sarah couldn't come with me. So they are gone to another train station. Poor babe, with Sarah and Tyler alone.
Hungry.
Oh God, they were hungry, they were tired, everybody was exhausted. At the police station for about 2 hours. I had to give a statement. only to find out that they'll lock up the guy for 24 to 48 hours. So he's in lockup right now. I got my phone back, thank God to those police in Paris, because let me tell you, the swiftness of how they act. I'm happy to be in the little percentage of people who got robbed in Paris and got their possession back. Because I need to understand what do you want? Water? It's a very rare case of that happening. And when I tell that I got my phone back with it intact and it was still on, and it was just a surreal experience to know that something like that happened to me. But I'm not gonna say I'm good for me, but lesson learned, because babe said to me all the time, every 2 minutes, babe say, honey, you cannot have your foot in your pocket. Honey, you cannot have things on the stroller. And my reply is always what?
You don't care. Like, yes, it's
It's
safe.
not that I don't care.
Yes, it's safe.
Right, but I always...
Don't put it like this. Don't put it like that. Like, okay.
I always try to give people the benefit of the doubt. Like, nothing not gonna happen. They're all nice.
Human
See?
being is not nice.
What happened to me?
You have nice people. Well, should I say, most of them are nice, but
You have
unfortunately...
nice and you have nice.
Yeah, but unfortunately the wrong, you remember more the wrong than the right. But most of the people, they're right. But you still have some. It's like, for example, you leave something in the middle of the street, you forget it. 10 person gonna walk beside it, not gonna touch it because it's not there, and 1 person gonna steal it. At the end you come back and it's stole. But it was 10 person right and just 1 person wrong. But you remember the wrong. So yeah, but you have to be very careful. And especially in Paris, but I think it's every city, everywhere you go in Eiffel Tower, they always say, mind, there's what they call in French, pickpockets. Mind, there's we're going in the Eiffel Tower, in the elevator, everywhere. It's written sign, pickpocket. You're going in the metro, on the metro they're talking, they say pickpocket. Everywhere they say that. So that's why when you wear a bag, you don't carry your bag on your back and just stay like this in the middle of the crowd. You just always put it in front of you. And all of these little things are always trying to remind her. Don't do like this, do like this, don't do like this, close the bag, and all of these things. I think it's important. It can happen anywhere. So as she said, lesson learned.
I never thought that would happen to me, honestly. It wasn't a nice experience.
Because at the end of today, we lost times. It was experience. I wait more than 2 hours on the track. But at the end of the day, we're tired, but we got back our things. And we're very, very thankful. And yes.
I have to give it up to the French Paris police.
They did an amazing job.
They did an amazing job.
Yeah, but
and they were very nice.
To consider this act as
learning.
What wrong did I? Sometimes you just don't do anything wrong. It just happens. Okay. But if you do things wrong and it happens, then you have to think, what wrong did I do? And what I need not to do next.
In my case, I need to listen when babe say, honey.
She always act like she's right. It's not gonna happen.
No, it's not that I act like I'm right.
Sure.
But I just want people to prove me wrong.
They prove you wrong today.
Exactly, that is so true. I want people to prove me wrong. Like, I'm not gonna steal your things.
No, but at the end,
I am a good person.
As I say, most of the people are good.
Mama, I don't want anymore.
Most of the people are good. It's not like...
You got something to drink?
No.
You want something to drink?
Yes.
What do you want?
Water.
Get some water.
So, I mean, it not have to consider that people are wrong, no. So, but the lesson is, even if you have right people, just be careful.
The experience wasn't nice at all. I wouldn't wish it on nobody. But like I said, the Paris police, they were nice. They did a fast, amazing job because whoever was surveilling the camera saw what happened. Radio his colleagues, and they got him like that. Bam! And they were right, it's like they were in the right place at the right time. So I thank God for that. I got my phone back. I was returned to my kids. The police, they dropped us at the metro station, and thank God for babe cousin who went with me. Because I didn't have to feel alone in the situation. And we give our statement, and the guy, I hope he learned his lesson, which once a thief, always a thief. It's so sad to say that, but I guess he'll figure his side of things out. But if you're ever in Paris on vacation or whatever the case may be, I'm saying Paris because that's where it happened to me. Put up your things, no matter what you have, phone, tablet, headphone, jewelry, it doesn't matter what it is. You're in Paris, put up your things because they snatch it. And the way he snatched my phone, he did it so flawlessly, I felt nothing at all. So that's my story. I was whisked away by the police. Never thought that would ever happen to me in a million years. All the way at the police station with my cousin-in-law, we were just laughing about it because we were literally sitting in a police station on vacation. Like, how is that even happening to me right now? Make it make sense. She's like, welcome to Paris. What an experience. So yeah, that's what happened. I am home. I'm exhausted. I am tired. You guys know my kids are normally in bed at 8. It is, though we're on vacation, so they would normally go to bed like 9, 10. It's almost 11 p.m. and I'm exhausted. I need tea. And as a Jamaican, when we say we want tea at night, you know something right. And right now I'm tired and I need tea. And I'm gonna have some tea and put my kids to bed and go to bed. So that's my little experience of being locked up. I wouldn't say locked up, but being carried to the police station after this wonderful young man decided to steal my phone. And he's so young and well dressed and well put together. You would have never thought, you'd have never think it looking at him. Like, what is wrong with you? Why can't you go and get a job? My God, there's so many job opportunity in Paris, especially. Go and get a job, man. Why you think you should be stealing people's things? I hope you learn your lesson and you don't go back to steal people's phone after you come out of jail after 24 to 48 hours. Right, Sarah? We. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my chicken and my tea. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in more vacation, happier vlog. And I hope this don't happen again to me until I leave Paris for the next 2 weeks. You are.
Mama, I can't believe this happened to you.
Me too.